Hello, it is Saturday, October 29th, 2011 at 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. I want to show you some interesting things that are showing up on radar. First of all, we have like a blue type harp ring showing up here, centered around Buffalo. There's some other harp rings up in here and here also, out of Maine, Portland, Maine, I think that is. But it's unusual to see one in blue in this particular radar. And something else that's happening is right up here on Lake Ontario, you see this little explosion happening. See, there's one and then two. I've got a little closer up shot here. There's one, and then there's the second one starting right there. I'll zoom in so you can see a little better here. And walk it through here. Let's see. There it shows up right there. Right here at 23:30. And it grows. And here's the second one, shows up right there at 0029. And then they both continue through. I'll let it loop through here. Actually, I'm just noticing at the time of that explosion, this radar goes to blue. It was green. And now, well, a few minutes after it starts. So it's not exactly simultaneous. So I went and looked at the next rad radar. And unfortunately, the first one I had done somehow closed itself. And then the second time I did this, the file closed itself that I had just done. So I'm not sure what's happening. But in any case, so I lost a few of the things that make this more interesting. But I'll talk about them in any case. There was some staticky stuff up in here. You can see it just starting to finish disappearing here. Once those little sunset lines went through that show up on radar every night, these started to diminish and this started to grow. Let me walk this through here a minute. Let me go back. Also in one of those frames you could see, well actually you can see it here pretty well. Here it's starting at 23:33, and it looks like it's originating from this mustard color area. Let me go back one. Oh, that is the beginning. Okay. And then it moves forward to here. Here's the second one joining it. I'll zoom in again on this one also. And then they move on through and become one, it looks like. So let me go back to the beginning and zoom in here. So this is at 23:33, and you can see the red dot there. And here's that little mustard color area. There's the second one showing up at 0021. And then they move on through. Actually, looks like one of them disappeared. They didn't join together. One of them fizzled out. See this one here fizzles out while that one grows. And then it looks like it was starting to diminish also. So I went to Google Maps, and it looks like the place where they started was right around Fairhaven here, between Fairhaven and Oswego. It looked like that second one joining him was between Sodus Bay and Fairhaven, right in this area. So then I also did a visible satellite loop that I'll show you. None of them showed anything happening here because there was cloud cover, so, and actually it was nighttime, but this is really nice or interesting. It'll show you kind of what's going on as that storm moves through. You can see these ripples, very thick and heavy. So anyway, there you have it. God bless you.